first event the MIT Institute of Design is actually holding, where we are seeing a launch of the work done by the faculty. So this is in a way an academic premiere of a film which Arup has put together, a 17-minute long animation film, which is hand-drawn. I don't know what it means to most of you. For me, it means almost a magic. Because 17-minute long, 14 minutes long film is still unreal. The whole session, what I thought today we could do is, of course, first I will introduce him to you with a little bit of a background to the film, and then once we see the film, have a little question answer after that. Just got something from Arup to read out for you. I, which is Mother, is a film about mother's unconditional love for her son. The film is her perspective of moving a baby and watching her son grow up and everything that happens in the middle. The film is set up in India and spawns over several years and several generations of one single family. I is a single layer, single take hand-drawn animation that depicts the life of an average single mother in India. The film takes us through her life as she tries to bring up her son and give him a better life than what she had experienced. The film has its feet firmly planted in the Indian family value system, and yet the emotions can easily resonate with anyone with no information of the cultural backdrop that the film is based on. The genre is film, animation, drama, 14 minutes, black and white.
Back in 2009, there was this film called A Laboratory Love Story, a chess film, and it won several accolades and several awards. I think it was nominated in Academy Awards as well. And when I saw that film, it's very endearing, very nicely made animation film of around 7.5, 8 minutes. But it looked very doable. And that was the time when the animation industry was going through a lot of cynicism. Decadence was not taking us anywhere, and people were losing their jobs. So it was very unstable phase. So keep myself afloat, I started having a small adventures with whatever resources I had, and I had very limited resources, which was a couple of pencils and sheets of paper, the supply of which was unlimited. I started drawing and kept on drawing and took my first pencil test. This is especially for the people who understand what pencil test is. So I took my first pencil test when I reached 1.5 minutes of animation already. So that's when I actually tested out my animation, if it's playing correctly or not. And fortunately enough, it was. I guess all that training and all that work that I have put in for the previous 14 years had paid off. And then I posted it on social networking sites, and the feedback was amazing. The first 1.5 minute, people it was very rewarding. So it's actually, in all honesty, I did not really make the film. It's Facebook who got the film made from me. And yes, I don't think. I think the best way to introduce a film is just to show it, and after that I'll take the questions if you have any. Guessing by the applause that you guys liked it.
Very much.
That's very nice. That's very kind of you. I have been making this film for like 4 years now, and I have continuously drawn. So maybe 2 drawings a day, but I have continuously drawn. This is 6,000 drawings, which are playing at a speed of 3 frames to 2 frames per second. 12 frames to 8 frames per second. It varies. so which kind of comes around 18,000 frames. But the drawings are 6,000 or maybe a little more than that, not less than 6,000. I lost count after 6,000. So.
Human emotion. It's not just drawing. It really catches that human emotion very well.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Just one thing, since you brought up the sketch, I'm not sure if you guys would notice it until I point it out, but it's a single shot film. So there are no cuts in the film. It's a single take film, and I think those sketches are the best I can do. So. Yeah, no, I can actually draw better, but just the amount of work was very, very intimidating. So
That's a very typical of an animator.
No, I can draw better than that.
No, but there are times when actually the whole film is treated as if the mother is reliving the theatre experience.
I've cheated it sometimes. I took it out of
and then you
POV.
sometimes
I sometimes take it out of a POV because there's few creative liberties which I had to ad lib. Otherwise, the film will not. It will not work. Then I'll have to use a cut, and I did not want it to use a cut to begin with.
Very nicely used.
Yeah.
And what is your experience that you are experiencing while you are trying to push your film as an individual film, short film? So what is our short film market like, and how is the response that you get?
Response is good. See, it's very strange when people start to associate economics with a short film. Well, the way I look at it, short film is how many of you draw? How many? So quite a few of you. So if I like to draw, and the only thing I did is I did 20 drawings a day for 4 years, and it turned out to be a film. So I never did it to make any money out of it. I did it because I wanted to make it. And yes, but now the impetus lie on the film where it can take me, and it's being seen internationally. I'm going through that real lull in which you have sent it out to festivals, and the callbacks are happening 2 months later. So whatever callbacks I'm getting are sporadic, one or two. Like very recently, today morning, I got one from Kolkata International Short Film Festival. But unanimously, people are digging it. They're liking the film. In fact, I had been wanting to produce one film because if I start making film, I'll take another 4 or 5 years. And if somebody is interested in making some film, which has some social relevance, the nitty-gritties can be discussed. But I'm pitching it to you guys. If you guys want to make a film, I'm ready to put the money in. Make your film.
So all the congratulations to you. And suit silwa lo. बहुत जल्दी बहुत काम आने वाला है.
For 6 years, he read out my CV, and which says that I had been a part of intellectual property development. Intellectual property development means people who work on their own content. So work on products instead of projects. And none of this film ever went out, ever got broadcasted. So I kind of had taken it upon me that I think that me being a part of that, I was jinxed. Perhaps it's to their careers also, sorry I used that word. But it never went out, so वो सूट सिलवाना वाला होने वाला नहीं.
That happened with Anurag Kashyap also. This period is limited. You don't worry.
So there is you do anything which is noticed. You can really go up.
Yes.
True, but
You should take and just push yourself to just promote the film. Go all out to promote it.
yeah, that is something.
Don't just wait for one Calcutta festival and you'll get the best award and be happy with
I have
it.
already sent it out to around 50 odd festivals. I'm just in that phase.
And send it for international market.
I'm
Your idea behind.
seriously, it's open to interpretation. I don't have any interpretation of it. I've never thought of it, but the mother has a appearance. If you'll have to closely notice in the end credits, there is a photograph in which she is there.
And you tried taking his care, she was not there physically.
Yeah, it was just a universe that I committed to, a universe in which people have 3 fingers, 1 thumb.
So that was really fabulously, beautifully done.
Thanks.
Yeah.
The people who have mother or unfortunately ones who don't have a mother. It moves both of them, touches both of them.
It's silly, but when I was making it, I never thought that one day I'll sit in an empty thing, because I screened it before you all came in just to see if there are no glitches, and it moved me. And I have seen this like 100 times. But I think I'll give all the credit to the music. They have done an amazing job. The song that he has written, I also partly wrote that, but but I think they have done an amazing job in taking this film where it goes.
But the main is in Marathi.
I was about to ask.
Yes, Ma was taken.
Stay back during vacations and work with them. I think these are opportunities that you all should try. It doesn't have to be necessarily from any Asian background.
From any
There are
background.
all kinds of help that you would require. So, any which way, choice is all yours.
I really need to drive this point home. Binita Desai, who mentored me while I was making this film, and Professor Fani Tatali, who was the person whom I have learned everything that I know about animation. He's the person who taught me that. So I owe them big time. I dedicate this film to them. So that's pretty much it.